All right, hi everyone. Hopefully you can hear me well, and welcome to the presentation about how we tutor at the Sandbox. So the presentation. So let's get started. I would say that there are four main ways that we tutor Sandbox. These being in-person, Zoom, appointments, and review sessions, which allows us to have a access to our center as well as tutors to provide a lot of flexibility in the way we do things. Starting with tutoring in Smith 24234 is the space we've been using since 2011, and this has been the place where it's been a social learning space as well as a great place for people to come and thrive in the technology driven business world. In that sense, our in person tutoring starts at 11 a.m. every day, goes till 7 p.m. during Monday through Thursday, and goes till 3 p.m. on Fridays. So on our website, people can access our time to see which tutors are available as well as which courses they can get help with. But alongside our in-person tutoring, since last year, we have developed our Zoom tutoring section as well as offer all our services on Zoom and in person, which has continued to this day where we have Zoom tutoring starting at 11 as well, alongside our in-person tutoring and goes into later hours till 10 p.m. In that sense, students are able to join Zoom anytime they want with tutors either in the center or on their laptops as well. And providing some statistics from Zoom tutoring, since August we had 129 sessions, which equals to a lot of hours, 457. And to calculate that in a fun way, you can watch the entire Lord of the Rings franchise 40 times and still have 9 hours left to grab a lot of snacks. And for the number of attendees, as you can see, we had a lot of attendance. Despite COVID being a bit of the thing of the past, still demand for Zoom is very high with having 506 people this month alone. And besides that, another great way to access our center is review sessions, where every CS course on campus will have an assigned tutor to it, and that will hold a review session every week. So at least we have 20 sessions per week for all 60 sections of the CS courses, and tutors are responsible for following the content in these courses, helping students with review material, provide assistance in upcoming projects and assignments, as well as helping before the exams for a good old exam prep. But I think the most unique part of the CIS Sandbox that we offer in comparison to other labs is our appointment system, where students fill out an appointment form, respond to tickets, schedule an appointment with a student, and then hold an appointment based 20 to 40 minutes, depending on, and last but not least, provide feedback to us. And looking at that a bit, I believe Python courses are our most popular, being that for undergraduate as well as graduate courses, and we have almost over 160 tickets for the graduate course. And a lot of these are people wanting to do a special session, one-on-one, 20, 40 minutes, as we said. And this has been very popular during the summer as well as last spring, but still to this day becomes one of our popular services with 60 tickets in October alone. And for our, we respond to it in 1.5 hours, with our longest being at most 3 hours. And our average rate is quite high at 485, means a lot of people do enjoy our one-on-one peer services. And with that being said, we will run a small demo to how to get this appointment. You have a tutoring reservation somewhere. Unfortunately, I'm submitted another request that's going to send a message to our tutors here. But here you can have name, your email address, ask the course that you need help in. I'm going to say Python. And we'll look for a tutor on Monday. And let's say we want an appointment for 40 minutes and just give let's say 8 p.m. And you can describe what you need help for. I need help with help. And you can say if you have an assignment due that you're specifically going to ask, you can put in the date your assignment is due. And once you send that ticket, unfortunately, a lot of tutors will be receiving an email right now, myself included. But let's see how it looks on our end. So this would be what a tutor would usually see. Okay, continuing on. When you see, as you can see, I have an open ticket now from myself. And here you can open the ticket. I can write saying, hi, I'm here. And I would respond to you. And once you respond, you would set up a schedule. You would set up an appointment. We would go through with it. And we would hopefully address your question. Last but not least, I would simply close this ticket to make sure I have helped you. Yeah. But with that being said, this is how we do different ways of tutoring at the Sandbox. It's a very accessible model for tutors as well as students alike. And we allow a lot of flexibility for you to access us as well as for us to be able to help you. So thank you for listening to me. And this was the presentation on our end. Yep. Do you have any questions? Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Do you tutor faculty in Python?
I'm not sure if we have tutoring for faculty, but that might be something to look at as well. But if you have any questions, I guess you can come in and we would be in this space throughout the day. And hopefully there might be a Python tutor that might be able to help you, but some of the undergraduate students might not. I'm not sure to what extent maybe I'll be able to help a faculty member. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you as well.